Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to backup your data using the Google Drive on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to perform the backup, first go to settings and here scroll down until you see accounts and backup right here, so tap on it. And as you can see, we have the Samsung Cloud version of your backups or the Google Drive, so just press Google Drive and press backup now. I am going to wait for a second or cancel it if it will take too long. If you want to use it, just press backup and you will be set. So we're done for the video. If you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.